discussing the self-presentation in social psychology is crucial because it reveals how individuals strategically manage and shape their public image in various social contexts. Understanding self-presentation helps researchers uncover the motivations, the strategies, and consequences of impression management. This knowledge has broad implications for research as it can inform studies on persuasion, conformity, leadership, interpersonal relationships, and group dynamics. By delving into self-presentation, social psychologists gain insights into the intricacies of human behavior, the impact of social norms, and the ways individuals navigate the complex terrain of social interactions, ultimately contributing to a deeper understanding of human experience. Self-handicapping refers to a strategy where individuals create obstacles or excuses to protect their self-esteem. They protect their self-esteem in case they fail at a task. It is like setting up a safety net for their ego. For example, if a student expects to do poorly on an exam, they might stay up late the night before the test, not study enough, and blame their lack of preparation if they get a low grade. So this way, they can attribute their failure to external factors, preserving their self-esteem. Next is the self-presentation. Self-presentation involves how people deliberately shape the way they appear to others. So think of it as a social performance. For an instance, someone going to a job interview will carefully choose their attire, use positive body language, and highlight their strengths and achievements to create favorable impression. So they want to present themselves in the best possible light to make a positive impact on the interviewer. The next one is the self-monitoring. Self-monitoring is about adapting one's behavior and appearance to fit different social situations and expectations. So imagine a person who is highly self-monitoring at a party. If the atmosphere is formal, they might act more reserved and sophisticated. However, in a casual gathering, they might become more relaxed and outgoing. They are like social chameleons, na, adjusting their behavior to match the social context and the people around them. So these practical explanations help illustrate how this social psychology concept manifests in everyday life, showing how individuals manage their self-image, their behavior, interactions in various social situations.